Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are watching my channel for the first time, then please support me by subscribing my channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new videos, you get the video notifications. So today I am presenting one Indo-Chinese starter, Chicken Lollipop. It's a very popular starter among all of us. It can be quickly prepared and goes with all occasion, whether it's a weekend party, birthday party or a kitty party. If you like this recipe, then do support me by subscribing my channel. For making chicken lollipop, I have taken 600 gram chicken lollipop pieces. It should be cut like this. Now here I have taken 1.5-inch ginger and 18 to 20 pieces of garlic. And now we'll make a smooth paste of this. I'm adding little water to make a smooth paste. And now we'll marinate the chicken pieces. Now to marinate the chicken pieces, I have taken 1 cup, that is 250 gram maida, that is all-purpose flour, half cup corn flour, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, 3 teaspoon soya sauce, 2 teaspoon vinegar. I'm adding 1 egg. And half teaspoon of red food color. Now this is purely optional. I'm adding salt as per taste. Now we'll pour some little water. And we'll make a smooth batter. Add adequate water. Do not make a thin batter, neither a very thick batter. I'm adding little water because the consistency is still on thicker side. Now I'm adding some more red food color. Now this is purely optional. I want my chicken lollipop pieces in red dark color like restaurants. So I'm adding some more red food color. If you do not want to add the red food color, you can skip it. Now the batter is ready, you can see the texture. Now I'm adding my chicken pieces. Now give all the chicken lollipop pieces in the batter and mix it very gently. Now keep it for marination for minimum 30 minutes in fridge. Now after 30 minutes, take enough oil in a heated karai. And now you need to deep fry the chicken pieces, the marinated chicken pieces. Just check the oil whether it's hot or not. Now, one by one add the chicken pieces. Do not overcrowd. Fry the chicken pieces in batches. Keep your gas flame in low to medium flame. Now like this, fry another batch. You need to stir continuously, otherwise it will stuck. Once you're done with the frying of chicken, keep it aside and we'll prepare the sauce in which we are going to toss them. So in a heated tawa, I have taken 2 tablespoons oil and 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger and 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic. Saute them for few seconds. I'm adding 3 teaspoons of soya sauce, half teaspoon red mirch powder, that is lal mirch powder, 3 tablespoons tomato sauce, two teaspoons Schezwan sauce. You can give this Schezwan sauce according to your spice preference because this is very spicy sauce. Now sprinkle some water and again saute it for few seconds. The flame should be in high and you have to do this full process very fast. You need to toss this very quickly. Now here no need to add salt separately as soya sauce contains salt. Then one by one add the fried chicken lollipop pieces. Just mix it nicely. You have to be very fast while tossing this process. Coat all the chicken pieces nicely with the sauce. Cook this in high flame. Just toss for 2 to 3 minutes. Coat all the chicken pieces nicely. Now sprinkle some chopped spring onions and your chicken lollipops are now ready. You can serve the chicken lollipops like this, or else if you want a restaurant style look, then with the help of foil paper, just wrap the bone portion of the chicken. See, it's very easy to make. Now decorate with some salad and serve it hot to your guest. It's a sure hit dish for any occasion. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please give a thumbs up to this video. Do share with your friends and family and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.